Hi techs, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google's AI assistant Gemini on your browser. You see, Gemini is Google's newest personal AI system at your fingertips. Similar to ChatGPT and other AI platforms, this one came straight from Google. If you want to learn how to do this, listen to the following steps. To do this, launch Google or Google Chrome and click on the 9 boxes located in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. This is where all your Google apps are located. Now scroll down and click on the Gemini app button. Here you will see that you can write anything to Gemini and Gemini will find it. Note, Gemini can make mistakes, so double check the accuracy if possible. Now write down what you want to say. Like for example, what is the weather today? Or it can solve a math problem like 8 1/10 times 5/5. Gemini will easily find it for you. Gemini can make mistakes, so double check the accuracy if possible as well. You can write to Gemini about anything and will find it easier than you think. Will Gemini work for you? Let me know. Isn't that cool? Yes, it is. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. And use artificial intelligence wisely.